A viewer alerted us to a situation involving a school bus that had one of its windows shattered while carrying students. Fox News reporter John Rogers found out what happened.
School officials say on Monday afternoon, a school bus carrying middle and high school students was driving along Highway 188 near Fernland Road in Grand Bay when suddenly a window shattered.
The individual that shot the window out of the bus used a pellet gun.
Pat Mitchell says the window was rolled down, similar to this one. The outer window was shattered, but the inner window was untouched. Thankfully, no one was injured, but an official admits it could have been worse.
Any type of weapons like that are dangerous. We're just fortunate enough and to know that no one was hurt on the bus.
The Consumer Product Safety Commission says pellet guns can be dangerous. The group says about 4 people a year are killed by these weapons. School resource officers are investigating the incident.
We're just fortunate to know that no one was injured as a result of this reckless behavior.
The Mobile County Sheriff's Office says in an incident like this, the suspect could be charged with a felony. And if a student were injured, the suspect could also be charged with assault. Reporting in Grand Bay, John Rogers, Fox 10 News.
Officials say the school bus window has since been repaired.